Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thanks for tuning in. I have two Beetles gel polish sets to swatch today, Summer Paradise and Sandstorm. And with that, let's get to swatching. I'll start off with Sandstorm, which is a nude set. This set comes with 6 colors and each bottle is about 7.5 milliliters. First, we have A411, which is a standard white. Next, we have A412, which is a beigey tan. Next, we have A413, which is an off-white cream. Next, we have A414, which is similar to A412, a beigey tan but slightly lighter. Next, we have A415, which is a peachy nude. Lastly, we have A416, which is a chocolate brown. Here are all the swatches together. And here are a couple more views of the colors together. Moving on to the Summer Paradise set, which is a colorful set, perfect for summer. Beetles actually upgraded their packaging, so their set actually comes in this plastic holder now, which is super nice. This set comes with 20 color gel polishes, a base coat, a top coat, and a matte top coat. Base coat and top coats are full size, I believe, at 7.5 milliliters. The color gels are actually smaller than the 6 polish set I just previously swatched. These are only 5 milliliters each. Here's a comparison of the two bottles next to each other. Starting off with B443, which is a silver glitter. Next is B444, which is a standard white. Next is B445, which is a pale peach. Next is B446, which is a pale yellow. Next is B447, which is a pastel blue. Next is B448, which is a shimmery blue. Next is B449, which is a shimmery pink. Next is B450, which is a bubblegum pink with a hint of purple. Next is B451, which is a bright pink. Next is B452, which is a bluish purple. Next is B452, which is a golden yellow. Next is B454, which is a bright yellow. Next is B455, which is a bright light green. Next is B456, which is a chunky turquoise glitter. Next is B457, which is a pale teal. Next is B458, which is a Kelly green. Next is B459, which is a blue. Next is B460, which is a royal blue. Next is B461, which is a purple. Lastly is B462, which is a black with holographic glitters. And here are all the colors together. And that basically wraps up this video. Hopefully you found it helpful, and if you did, please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks, bye!